Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Building a Python Code Corrector Online Tool with Python and Flask. Introduction. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of creating a simple online Python code corrector using Python and Flask. This tool will allow users to input Python code, check it for common errors, and provide suggestions for corrections. We'll use the pyflakes library for code analysis and Flask to create a web interface. Prerequisites. Make sure you have Python and Flask installed on your machine. You can install Flask using the following command. Step 1. Set up your project structure. Create a new directory for your project and organize it as follows. Step 2. Create the Flask app, app.py. Step 3. Create the HTML template, template/index.html. Step 4. Run your Flask app. Navigate to your project directory in the terminal and run the following command. Visit http://localhost 5000 in your web browser to use your Python code corrector tool. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you've learned how to create a simple Python code corrector online tool using Python, Flask, and the pyflakes library. Users can input Python code, and the tool will check for common errors, providing suggestions for corrections. You can expand on this project by adding more features, improving the user interface, or integrating additional code analysis tools. ChatGPT.